The signal from tomorrow, a mind-blowing space mystery. Imagine this, it's 2025, and a team of scientists at a remote radio observatory picks up a signal that shouldn't exist. It doesn't come from a distant star or planet, instead, it sounds like a message from the future. Yes, you heard that right, from our own future. Unbelievable? Buckle up, because this strange story is about to blow your mind. In the silence of the night, a faint pulse crackles through the speakers. At first, the team assumes it's just a glitch or some random noise. But when the pattern repeats, and the signal grows stronger, they realize something incredible is happening. Little did they know, this discovery would challenge everything we thought we knew. Stay tuned, because later we'll reveal the shocking truth that left scientists stunned. It was a cold night at the Greenland Ice Observatory. The lab was silent, until a faint series of radio pulses lit up the screens. Dr. Carter and her team rubbed their eyes in disbelief. Was it just interference? They knew space can produce wild signals, for example, fast radio bursts, FRBs, that last only milliseconds can release as much energy as the entire sun does in a year. NASA telescopes find new clues about mysterious deep space signals, NASA Jet Propulsion Laboratory, JPL. But this signal was different. It kept repeating at regular intervals, night after night, and the pattern looked almost too structured to be random. Astronomers had seen repeating signals before. For instance, just last year a mysterious pulse that blinked every 2 hours was traced to a pair of dead stars. Astronomers cracked the case of a mysterious deep space radio signal that repeats every 2 hours of space, but this was something else entirely. Every night, the pulses fell into a curious pattern. It felt like someone was trying to communicate. They ran the pulses through every analysis tool they had, even a custom AI algorithm. At first, the output was indecipherable. But then Dr. Carter noticed something: the timing between pulses wasn't random. Some intervals lined up with prime numbers, a classic sign of intelligent origin. Days passed as the crew worked tirelessly. Finally, the breakthrough came. The pulses weren't just noise, they encoded a message. The team realized the blips corresponded to GPS coordinates of their own Greenland observatory, and even more shocking, the code included a date far in the future, June 14, 2085. When Dr. Carter read the numbers out loud, the entire lab fell completely silent. Could this really be happening? The coordinates and date were real. If this signal was true, the only explanation was mind-blowing: they were hearing a message from their own future. It shattered everything they knew about time. Dr. Carter finally whispered, "This can't be real. Is this time travel?" The team was equal parts terrified and thrilled. So, what would you do if your future self reached out to you across 60 years? The scientists in the lab now faced the most incredible mystery of their lives. What was coming on that future date, and why had they sent this warning? The truth was stranger than fiction, and it was just beginning. Subscribe to our channel for more unbelievable stories. Hit the like button if your mind was blown by this mystery. Comment below with your wildest theories about what will happen on that future date.